See, a lot of these niggas be gassed up. Was broke for a minute and went got my cash up. Didn't have a dollar, my pockets was stuck on disaster. Came a long way from handcuffs, I'm gassed up.
Ooh, guess who's back? Back again. Chico's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Hey, what's happening, people? Today we are at Trucks and Coffee. We early, as you can see. Nobody is here yet, so yeah, we're gonna. I ain't bring the black sheep, man, because I ripped her apart. Ain't nothing in her right now, so yeah, she's looking real terrible. I took the doors out, I took the headliner out, so yeah, the black sheep is not here today. We in Big Baby, as you can see behind me. We finna go show y'all what's here right now and what's gonna be here later. I am black, so let's get y'all over here so y'all can see me. But yeah, we gonna get this shit going. Let me show y'all what's here so far. Alright, here we go. This right here, it's a nice 78 C10, as you see. From the Instagram on the window, Rick 78 C10. I like these Raceline wheels that it's on. They're staggered, you know what I'm saying? 22s, little lip in the front, big lip in the back. That's a nice one right there. Let's go over here and see what else is here so far. Y'all come along for the ride. Boy, that thing right there is slam on the ground. Boy, that's nice. That Tina Patina. The camper on the back, man. Hey, your boy DeVille will ride that. Just like that, man. No questions about it. That thing is on the ground. As you can see, they got stuff to give away, stuff you can buy. They got Astros tickets over there. Say, man, if you miss Trucks and Coffee, my boy, you got a nice truck, you trip hard. Y'all probably can't see it, the sun not out, but that's that wood grain. If you ain't from Texas, you wouldn't know about that wood grain. That's sweet. It's your truck?
Yeah.
Nice truck.
Thank you.
Nice GMC, man. Oh, you talking about the
It's like flowers or something.
yeah, detail over there? Look at that detail. It's amazing. Nice, nice, nice. That wood grain killing though, boy.
$1 million beats.
Boy, that thing choppy. Real choppy. Yeah, that long bed too. That thing loud.
One time for the G's on life. One time for the G's on life. One time for the G's on life. I swear I can't wait till you hot. Touchdown. Time for the G's on life. One time for the G's on life. One time for the G's on life. I swear I can't wait till you hot. Touchdown.
$1 million beats.